Hello students, today we have to start a new chapter, alcohols, phenols and ethers. See here, the general representation of alcohol is ROH, phenol AROH and ether ROR dash. So we have to learn one by one. First of all, alcohol. Alcohols are hydroxy derivative of alkane. Alcohols are formed when one hydrogen of alkane is replaced by OH group. The simplest hydrocarbon is methane. If we replace one hydrogen from methane by OH group, the compound form is methanol. The compound form is methanol. Similarly, if one hydrogen of ethane is replaced by one OH group, then the compound form is ethanol. This is ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Ethyl alcohol is common name and ethanol is IUPAC name. Similarly, C3H8 is propane. If we replace one hydrogen by one OH group, the compound form is C3H7OH. It is propyl alcohol or propanol. Propanol you can write in two ways. First is normal propyl alcohol, means straight chain propyl alcohol, and secondly isopropyl alcohol. See here. CH3, CH2, CH2OH, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, or you can write CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is normal. Straight chain is normal chain. Normal or only N propyl alcohol. And CH3, CHOH, CH3, CH3, CHOH, CH3. This is isopropyl alcohol. These days, isopropyl alcohol has great use. It is used as sanitizer of coronavirus also. Alcohol can be classified in many ways. First classification is on the basis of number of alkyl group present. Classification on the basis of alkyl group present. On the basis of alkyl group present, alcohol is classified into three categories: primary, secondary and tertiary. So A is 1 degree or primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is that in which OH group is attached to that carbon which contain only one alkyl group or hydrogen, means no alkyl group. Similarly, 2 degree or secondary alcohol. 2 degree or secondary alcohol is that in which OH group is attached to that carbon which contain two alkyl groups. This is 2 degree. And third is 3 degree or tertiary alcohol. In tertiary alcohol, OH is linked to that carbon which contain 3 sides of alkyl group, 3 alkyl group. This is 3-degree alcohol. Instead of alkyl group, you can put methyl group, ethyl group, propyl group, and you can write its IUPAC names. Second classification of alcohol is on the basis of number of OH group present. On the basis of number of OH group present, it can be classified into monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, and polyhydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, and polyhydric alcohol. In monohydric alcohol, only one OH group is present. CH3OH is 1 degree or monohydric. It is monohydric. Only one OH group is present. C2H5OH, it is also monohydric alcohol. Only one OH group is present. CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. What is its name? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. OH is present at carbon number 2. Butane 2-ol. It is also monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. हाँ बोल देंगे 2 degree. This alcohol is actually 2-degree alcohol. So what is 2-degree alcohol? 2-degree alcohol is that which contains 2 alkyl group, but it is monohydric. It is 2 degree but monohydric. Here it is 1 degree but monohydric. Similarly, 3-degree alcohol also may be monohydric. This is 3 degree, but only one OH group is present, so it is monohydric. Its name is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. Its name is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. It is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 3 degree, but all are monohydric alcohol. Similarly, dihydric alcohol is that which contain 2 OH groups.